So welcome to Mwalimu Kahudhi as a ornamental badge, and today I want us to talk about what I promised to be talking about, that is farming. And now in front of you, you can see some goslings and goose that are moving up and down. What many farmers don't know is that if there is one step that is very important, especially in farming, is the ability of the farmer to be able to access the market. And I have done some research, and I can tell you for sure, I know where the markets are, and they are in most unsuspectable areas. So for example, kuna watu wakulima wako na social media accounts huko kwa YouTube, huko kwa Twitter, huko kwa Facebook, huko kwa TikTok, na pia ile simu yako ile hapo kwa WhatsApp kuna hiyo provision imewekwa hapo mahali unaweza weka status. So the largest market that we have for these birds and almost all the produce that we have is in social media. So kama umeona of late, most companies now, they have these social media. They have Twitter handles, they have a Facebook page, and these are very important platforms. So these platforms are very important because what they do, they're able to connect very many people in different geographical locations. So in my farming, mostly I depend with the social media marketing, mostly Facebook. So for example, you are going to find it very easy. Sasa ukiingia kwa Facebook yako utafute ornamental birds. There are so many groups that will be displayed there for you. These are things that I did not know when I started this venture of farming. And these ornamental birds groups, they are very important because one, they are where the market is. So if you have produced your goslings, you have them there, you just take a clear photograph of the goslings, and once you have a clear photograph and even a small video, 30 seconds video, then you are able to post it on all the social media platforms. I can assure you it is going to take some time before you are known in the market, but eventually your labor is going to pay off, because although my farm is located in Nyeri County, majority of my customers are in Nairobi County, the others are in Nakuru County, Mombasa. And how do I meet these customers? These customers, I meet them through the use of social medias, as I have already stated. So you post consistently without giving up, and then 2, 3, 4 months later, you're going to hear people start calling you, and then you'll be able to sell your commodities. So that is about the marketing of the ornamental birds. If you have any question, I have posted the number on my YouTube, the section comment. Thank you, and have yourself a nice Sunday. Let us meet in the next video.